Okay, well, welcome everyone to Psychology 210. Please take a seat. This is Psychology 210, Introduction to Social Psychology. I hope everyone is in the right room. Are you? Okay, good. Let me get started. For today, this afternoon, since this is our first day, I want to talk to you about this course. I'm going to give you some information about what we will study and how we will study it. So, I want to talk briefly about the field of social psychology, and then I will give you more information about the course requirements. Everybody okay with this? Okay. First of all, in this course, we are going to look at people in social situations. So what does that mean? That means how people interact with other people. That's the simplest way to explain this course. And we're going to discuss some of the theory and the research that explains all of this. Okay. But before I go any further, let me make one point very clear. The main objective of this course is to help you to become more interested in the field of social psychology and to prepare you for more studies in this field. That is my hope. Okay? So I think by now, everyone has had a chance to have a look at the syllabus. Yeah? You saw it on my website, right? So I think that you get the picture that I'm going to expect a lot from you in this social psychology class. So I will go over the syllabus now, okay? First, let's talk about the readings. I'll assign new readings each class period, and the reading assignments are going to come from the textbook. You should complete the assigned readings by the date I give you. That's simple. You get the assignments, and then you do the reading. Now, the lectures. I'm going to give a lecture in each of my class, and during my lectures, I'm going to expand on the ideas that you read about in your textbooks. So, for example, I might explain something that you read about in the assignment, or I might give you another example that wasn't in the reading. Now, I want to point out, and this is pretty important, that my lectures will also include information that you won't see in the readings. That's right. My lectures will sometimes have new information. So guess what? You have to come to class. All right. The discussions. The discussions, class discussions, our discussions, are an important aspect of this course. During our discussions, I will welcome your questions and comments anytime you want to say something. Anytime. You should feel free to contribute your own ideas and your own opinions. But for this to work, you have to be willing to let the other students do the same. Meaning that we all listen to each other. All of us. That's the deal in here. Oh, and by the way, I just want to say, you don't have to agree with me. But whenever you do express your opinion, you do have to show me that you understand the ideas we're talking about in class. So what I'm saying is, these discussions should show how you think about ideas in the readings and the ideas you hear in the lectures and discussions, and also what you think about them. You get the picture? Now, what about your grade? I know you want to know this information. All right. Your grade consists mostly of quizzes and exams. For quizzes, you'll be able to use your lecture notes. So attending class and taking good notes is going to be the key to your success in this class. For exams, you will not be able to use your notes. So, no notes for exams. I'll explain about the class presentation and the two opinion papers later in the semester. We don't need to get into that right now. All right. You saw on the syllabus that attendance is also going to be a big component in this class. But let me talk about that right now. Attendance means you have to attend class regularly. But not just come to class, you have to participate in class discussions. So what I'm saying is your participation, whatever it is going to affect your grade. Okay? So far, so good? Now, I know this seems like a lot, but it's really pretty simple. My expectations are that you come to class, turn your work in when it's due, share your ideas, listen to others, and do the readings. And you will do fine in this class, no problem. Okay? All right. That's enough for our first day. I will see you next time, and we will discuss Chapter 1 in your textbooks. So there's your first reading assignment, Chapter 1. Okay? Bye now.